Hello guys, I hope you're doing well. Today I'm just gonna show you how to write a book by the help of ChatGPT. Before that, we can discuss about our YouTube channel, which is Data Science Gurus. How can you can write complete book by the help of ChatGPT. So first of all, I'm gonna share the steps with you. So first of all, you need a Google Chrome extension, which is AIRPM. Okay, so this is a Google Chrome extension. You can search it on Google and then you can just click on the first link. After that you will see this page, and here you have to click on add to Chrome. Okay, when after the adding to Chrome, you have to open the ChatGPT and you will see this scenario. Okay, you have to refresh the page and you can see this interface. Okay, and in this ChatGPT extension, you have actually a lot of prompts, and by the help of these prompts you can easily write books, can generate images for your websites, you can write articles, and today we are going to discuss how you can write a complete book just by even one click. Okay, so after that you have to come here and you have to write book. Okay, the keyword for it. When you will write the book, here you can see this prompt, and you can see the reviews that right now it's about 6,096 people have used this prompt, and they have a very good feedback as well. And okay, so you have to click it here, and after that what you can see is you can generate you can choose a language. For example, if you want to write the book in Dutch, in English, in Spanish, French, Italiano, or in any other language. So right now we are for the tutorial we are choosing the English language. So here we are going to choose English. After that we can choose the tone for our book. So for the free version of this extension, we can only choose the emotional one, and the other one is writing style. So what would be the writing style for our book? It should be poetic, but if you want to buy few of the prompts, then you can upgrade and you can change the writing style as well. So here you can see we are going to choose the poetic writing style. Okay, so for this example, for this YouTube video or for this video, we are using our data science. Actually, you can write the complete title of your book as well, and you can also write the keywords as well. For example, I'm using data science and artificial intelligence and ChatGPT and finance. So actually it's gonna analyze these keywords or the title, and then it's gonna write the book for you. Okay, so here you go. So after that you have to click it here, and it starts generating the book. The book title is Whispers of Data, Unrevealing the Poetic Soul of Artificial Intelligence. It is generating the chapters titles for you. The first chapter, so it has generated 15 chapters, and first of all it's generating the book introduction, and you can see that it's a very good. It's working really fast as well, and when you see like it stops here, so you have to click it on continue. Okay, and after that it will generate the book, the chapters again and again. Like it will start the continuing the writing the book. So because it has the limit for 8,000 words, and I'm using the paid version of ChatGPT. Okay, so you can also buy it. You can use it for about $24 per month. 20 basically the amount, and $24 are basically the tax they are deducting from you guys. Okay, so after each chapter you have to click the continue button here. Okay, and then it will be writing again and again. I mean to say, it will be writing the next chapters. And now what you can do is you can just put this into the any Amazon or Kindle or any other platforms, and you can easily upload this into the any sort of online platforms, and you can easily sell these kind of books, and you can easily earn the good profit. For example, if you're good in finance, you can write the books for finance. You can earn the books as well. If you need any specific keywords, any specific tone, any specific pages, chapters, or if you can give more details, you can actually edit the prompt as well. You can write here, and you can write here about your details, the tone, the book title, the keywords, the domain, okay, and it will help you out to completely write the book for you. And the best thing of this is you can also take the plagiarism report from Turnitin or any other platform. So what you can do is this text that is generated by by the ChatGPT is basically plagiarism free text. Like, it's not copied from any internet sources, or it's not copied from any books. You can check it manually as well. You can search for example, you can search this paragraph, and you can open a new tab, and you can search that into the Google. So it doesn't show you any results, because this is exactly the AI generated text, and it's totally a new text, and this book is not copied from any internet sources, so you're not gonna have any plagiarism issue as well. Okay, yeah. So you can see it's right now it's having the 4th chapter, which is singular algorithms or data science, and explaining every single thing related to our book. And you have to, because it has a limit, so you have to write this, like, you have to click on the continue again and again, so that it can completely write a book for you. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. This is for today. If you need any help regarding this, you can simply comment on the YouTube, and I will definitely help you out. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next video.